Once upon a time, I was stuck in a yarn rut. Every project felt the same. I craved something easy, textured, and relaxing, until I discovered the moss stitch, also known as the linen stitch, and it changed everything. Whether you're just picking up a hook for the first time, or you're a yarn addict looking for your next go-to stitch, today, I'm going to show you exactly how to crochet the moss stitch step by step, with some clever color changing tips to make your project really pop. We'll be using the single crochet version, which is the most beginner-friendly and widely used. Just so you know, there are other versions of the moss stitch too, like the half double crochet moss stitch, which gives you a slightly taller and softer fabric, the double crochet moss stitch, which is looser and great for airy projects. But we're keeping it simple today with the traditional single crochet moss stitch, perfect for scarves, washcloths, and cozy blankets. Next up, we're diving into the half double crochet moss stitch and other textured favorites, so hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell to stay in the loop. Grab your supplies. You'll need worsted weight yarn, 2 or more colors if you want to try color changes, a hook appropriate for your yarn. I'm using a 5mm H8 hook, scissors, yarn, needle. Let's begin by chaining an even number. I'm starting with 20 chains. Now for row 1, single crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. Chain 1. Skip a chain. Single crochet in the 2nd chain. Chain 1. Skip a chain and work single crochet into the 2nd. Chain 1. And repeat this across. The pattern is very easy. Single crochet into the 2nd stitch and chain 1. You'll end with a single crochet. At the end, chain 2 and turn your work. This brings us to row 2 and beyond. Now you'll single crochet into each chain 1 space, not into the stitch itself. You see those spaces? There are V shapes that are forming the border between the openings. Insert your hook into the space itself and work single crochet. Then we follow the same pattern as in the first row. Chain 1, single crochet into the next space. Chain 1, single crochet into the next space. Then chain 1, skip the next SC, and repeat. You'll see that beautiful woven texture starting to appear. At the last space, we work the same single crochet and finish this round. You should have this texture already. Let's chain one more round together. Start with chain of 2. Turn your work. Single crochet into the space. Chain 1, skip 1 chain. Single crochet. Chain 1. Keep a consistent tension for even texture. Relax and enjoy. At the end of the row, we finish with single crochet. Let's talk about how to change colors cleanly in the moss stitch, without knots or messy edges. We'll change colors at the end of the row, before turning our work. The trick is to switch yarns on the last yarn over of your final single crochet. Yarn over with your current color, pull up a loop, 2 loops on hook. Don't finish the stitch yet. Grab your new color and loop it over your hook. Yarn over with the new color. Pull through both loops on the hook to complete the single crochet. Now, chain 2 with the new color, turn your work, and continue your moss stitch like normal. Single crochet into the opening. Chain 1. Single crochet in the next space. Chain 1. Chain 1, skip 1 chain, single crochet in next. Repeat. Moss stitch grows in a grid. Keep a consistent tension for even texture. If you have problems with the last stitch, use stitch markers at row ends. Pause and try 23 rows now. In the comments, let me know what you plan to make. Try changing colors on your next moss stitch row and let me know in the comments. Are you going for stripes or color blocks? Managing yarn tails. Don't forget to leave a 6-inch tail on both old and new colors so you can weave them in later. Use a yarn needle and tuck the ends along the row or within the chain spaces. Moss stitch hides them beautifully. If you are wondering how to fasten off and wave in, I have a short video in my channel. I'll leave a link in the description. If you make the tail too short like me, just use a thinner hook to weave in the ends. Want perfect stripes? Alternate colors every 2 rows. For color blocks, change every 4 to 6 rows. Just remember to always switch colors at the end of a row. And don't forget subscribe for the next tutorial where we cover half double crochet moss stitch and color fade techniques. Happy crocheting!